Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have your mind controlled by someone else? To lose your free will and act against your interests? Well, this is not a science fiction scenario, but a reality for some unfortunate creatures in nature. In this video, we are going to reveal the secrets of parasitic hairworms, the master manipulators of the animal kingdom. This is DSC Studio, and you won't believe what these worms can do. Parasitic hairworms are worms that infect insects, such as crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, and ants. They have a very complex life cycle, involving several stages and hosts. The adult worms live and mate in water, where they release their eggs. The eggs hatch into larvae, which are eaten by aquatic insects, such as mayflies or mosquitoes. The larvae then develop into cysts inside the bodies of these insects, waiting for the next opportunity to infect a new host. When the aquatic insects emerge from the water and fly away, they are eaten by terrestrial insects, such as crickets. The cysts then break open and release the worms, which grow inside the crickets and feed on their tissues. But how do the worms make their hosts jump into the water, where they can complete their life cycle? Well, scientists have discovered that these worms can manipulate the brains of their hosts, making them more attracted to water and less afraid of predators. They do this by producing chemicals that mimic the neurotransmitters of their hosts, such as serotonin and dopamine. These chemicals alter the mood and behavior of the insects, making them more active and adventurous. The worms also affect the sensory organs of their hosts, making them more sensitive to light and humidity. These changes make the insects seek out water sources, even if they have to cross dangerous roads or fields. But that's not all. The worms also have a very strange genome. They are missing about 30% of the genes that most animals have, including genes for smell, taste, vision, and immunity. Scientists think that this is because the worms rely on their hosts for these functions, and they have evolved to lose the genes they don't need. This makes them more efficient and adaptable to different environments and hosts. These are some of the amazing facts about parasitic hairworms, one of the most fascinating and terrifying examples of mind control in nature. But there are still many questions left unanswered. How do the worms know when to emerge from their hosts? How do they find each other in the water? How do they avoid being eaten by fish or birds? And what would happen if they infected a human? If you want to find out more about these questions and more, make sure you watch our next video, where we will dive deeper into the mysteries of these worms. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching DSC Studio, and see you next time.